Here we are again. Another weekend, another hike. Yay! With a nice day today. Sunny. Yes. Knock on wood. You'll never know. Snow.
I don't know why I thought of seafood when you said oh, because it sounds like
We're on our way to Lake Angeles.
yeah, or a boat.
Way to the hurricane entrance to the trailhead. It's time to go. Let's go, let's go. We can do it. Oh, testing eh.
Stop the ice cold.
Yeah, uphill. Oh, haga dayon. Masay dugay. Walay warm up. Ayo. Uy, ay ka-picture diha, ka-picture na ko diha. Nice and quiet. Apa?
Video ka na ko.
Ay, sakto na. Mapandol. Belakang. Switch back. 2.5 mile na mi. 1 mile more. 1 mile more to get to the lake. Murag hapit-hapit na pero dako pang angaton. Angat-angat. Yeah, almost made it to Lake Angeles. That way. This way to Klahani. Klahani Ridge. Finally arrived after 3.90 miles. Going to Klahani Ridge. Hopefully we can make it to the top. Oh my goodness. Unsa naman eh? Mauna na eh. Kaya pa.
Dapoy na right away.
Mupay pag-start. Rest. Rest kay grabing angaton. I guess it's worth the the pain. See, maera gyud nang magsayo lagi kay
Mga tanan.
sige hunong-hunong. Oh, I'm loving the view.
1, 2, 3. Di ato picture diri. Agad ka diri. O diha, na-picture naman jud ka na ako diri na pod. Sige nya na lang daw. One last one. So much.
Nasigaw na sila. Oh. Nasigaw sila sa picture.
Okay.
Picture everywhere.
Oh. Yeah.
Because the view is 360 degrees.
Dai, sakto na.
Pahawa sa pugo. Oh, there's still some patch of snow. This hike is no joke. Uphill. My goodness. Slowly, one step at a time. Whew. Look at that. Yeah. Ah. We made it. Very good.
Kaya sa kay Grace under pressure gid na siya.
Very good. We made it. I hopefully wala na ilain. Oh Lord. You think we can find the trail? This is a challenge. Walking in the snow. On the right track.
We're on the right track.
Atimana. Oh my gosh, we can't find the trail anymore.
There, and then switch back here. That's still a lot. Yeah, there's there. I don't know, guys. I think the feet is elevation. Right.
Are we gonna turn around or keep going?
It says.
We decided to turn around because it's so dangerous. It's not safe anymore.
We can't see the trail.
We tried. Yeah, we tried our best.
The struggle is real.
And it's scary to keep going because we don't have micro spike for the shoes, snowshoes. So ulit na lang mi. Another struggle going back down. Tala. Padayon, dolor.
Sana all duhaan ko.
Oh, bisag na nagali siya duhaan. Na-slide pa yun siya.
Nakuha mo to?
Oo, nakuha. Documentation.
Perfect.
Who's next?
Ikaw siya ko kang video.
Kabuang ka diha. Oh, sawang ka diha dai diha ra ka?
No, mulakap. Padirit sa ko ha.
Sige.
Di ana day ang tree. Ayaw ka ibot.
Bato nila ang last.
Napa?
I think there's one more.
Ayan.
Nangaon na mi. Time to have lunch. This is my lunch.
Mayet's lunch. Looks good.
We're finally back. We made it. We made it back down in all that challenging moment. Thankfully. Still alive. Yeah, we made it. After 11.56 miles. Namatay na. Naglubati rin na. We made it. Good job, ladies.